Come test drive this 2014 Volkswagen Passat. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides a satisfying ride for all passengers. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Volkswagen prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including delay-off headlights, variably intermittent wipers, heated seats, and cruise control. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, traction control, brake assist, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.